Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm up in London and looking forward to showing you around this 2.3 by 2.5 office stroke man cave. So we met these clients middle of last year, and it was a classic case so often heard. Two problems: baby on the way, and they needed the room from upstairs to be used and actually get it painted and ready. And secondly, everything was through the house. There's no rear access. So we designed these buildings with the base and everything to be able to come through the house. And we got that all done and up and running in good time for the clients. Baby is now happily in the room and enjoying it. And let me show you around. So this is, as you're probably aware, our 2.5 deep by 2.3J. These are within the planning rules, so this is within permitted development. Got the 10-year full guarantee. This one in anthracite, you can do it in black. Lovely MTX V100 on the front, cement wall to the three sides, electrical installation and the internet. Now, because it's that little bit deeper, the client's actually done a great job here of creating his own little space here, a little man cave, so a nice place to read, also playing the piano, learning the keyboard, which is great. And then the actual office space is relatively small but running out at the front, and I really like that idea. You could put a side desk in and have it a bit bigger, but actually it's trying to do these two jobs in one, and it's doing it really well. Retrofitted blinds, so the customer's done them afterwards. Are they as good as the integrated blinds? No, but they are a much more cost-effective solution, so that is, always an option. And then internal electrics, including the heating, all carried out by us. So we bring the internet down, all hardwired, dug in a trench from the house. Just a 13 amp supply on this one works really well. I think this is just a really lovely building. You may see a lot of these J's, but the reason that clients have these is it's so common. You've got that spare room that they're needing a bedroom, another baby on the way, or you need that peaceful space. Then to break out home life and work life is just brilliant. So these are always a great option. And as I say, this designed to go through the house and work within the planning rules. And yeah, so this is another one we've completed. Many J's on our website, but if this is of interest to you or a larger studio or garden room, please give us a call. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and thank you for watching.